All right, so when we're talking about dock fishing, which we did a ton of today and had some great success doing it, there's some small details that I like to point out, that other people might not do. Everyone knows dock fishing in Wisconsin is one of the most popular things to do in our lakes around here, and fish love docks and they love shade. But, when approaching a dock, I get asked a lot, what do you target? What do you like to look for? The number one thing that I point out to people is don't cast into the darkest holes and the deepest shade pockets where the biggest fish are going to be right away. Just because for that fact, your percentages of getting that fish out aren't as good. So hit places like the corners of the dock, out in front of the dock. Maybe if there's a little bit of shade, that's not underneath the dock, or if it's a little bit outside the dock, fish those areas first before going to the juiciest part of the dock, and you'll definitely have better percentage on getting that fish out. And then, when it comes to rod and reel setups, the same thing goes to part. When you're fishing around the dock, you can get away with using a little bit lighter line and things like that because that fish isn't in the nastiest part of it. But when you're going in, to the deepest, darkest parts of the dock where the biggest fish are probably going to be, I generally like to go in first with big line and a big rod. A jig with 17 to 20 pound line is probably my go-to all-around setup. I usually use fluorocarbon line because it tends to be better around metal and things like that, that are underneath these crazy docks here we have in Wisconsin. So, those are just a couple tips that I take when going to your next local lake fishing these docks, and hopefully you bring some success.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.